Hello everyone. Today we are going to work on DevOps project. So as you can see here, we have one CI/CD pipeline. So we are going to follow the same CI/CD pipeline in our DevOps project. So here I have one Nginx Docker image which is present in my GitHub repo, and using the Jenkins, I'm creating this CI/CD pipeline. So what the Jenkins will do? Jenkins will fetch that Nginx Docker file in the server and build it with the help of Docker, and then after building it, Docker will push the Nginx image to ECR. Then using the sed command, we are going to replace the image in our deployment file. So after changing the image from the deployment file, we will deploy that file to our Kubernetes cluster with the help of kubectl command. So the whole automation will be done by the Jenkins pipeline. So next we are going to see like how we are going to create a Jenkins server and the Jenkins pipeline. So thank you for watching my video. Let's get started. In the git, we have our docker file and the execution file, and you can use my own repository. Like here, as you can see, under DevOps project, you will find the DevOps project 1, and under DevOps project 1 you will find 3 files. So this docker file, in this docker file we are basically fetching the Nginx from the Nginx repo. So we are going to build this docker file in our DevOps pipeline. The second file, here you will find the pipeline script. This here is the freestyle Jenkins script. So you can use this one in your Jenkins job. And the third file is about the YAML. This is a deployment YAML file, Nginx deployment YAML file. So when you will open this file, here you will find the image section. So I will change this with the help of sed command and replace it with the Nginx image. So as I was saying, we are going to follow this pipeline. So I have already set up the Git environment, so you can use the same GitHub repo for your use case. And now our next step is to create a Jenkins. So I will create a Jenkins server on AWS cloud. So open EC2 service and launch one EC2 instance. So I will create one Jenkins server. And you should select your key pair, okay, and allow this HTTP and the HTTPS port, and that's all. Now click on launch instance. Now go to this instance and log into it via SSH. So you have to go to the connect. So it will take some time to enable this connect button because it is in a pending state right now. So we will wait for now it's running. Now check on it and click on connect, and you have to select this EC2 instance connect option and click on connect. So here we are successfully logging into our Jenkins server. So here first we need to install some basics applications like Git and kubectl, and there are other softwares also which we are going to install. Okay, so first I will update this yum repo. This is a newly created server, so we have to install all the application and softwares like Jenkins, Java, Python, GitHub, Git. Now I will install Git. Okay, now we have to install Jenkins on this server. So you can take a help of this official website. Here you have to click on Linux because we are using the Linux server for our Jenkins. So go down. We like our image is Amazon Linux too, so yum will work for that. So go to the yum section. As here you can find the yum section. So you have to run this command on the same server. Okay. Now run the second command and make sure that it runs successfully. It is also run successfully. Then sudo yum upgraded. It's already updated. Now we are installing the Java 11 OpenJDK. Okay, so it is we got an error like no package is found, nothing to do. Okay, so it is also giving us one command to install the Java 11. So here is the command sudo Amazon Linux extra install Java OpenJDK 11. So use the same command and paste it on a terminal. So now it's installing the Java for us. So Jenkins have dependency on Java application, so we should install before installing the Jenkins. Okay, now run the next command. Now this command will install the Jenkins. So this will take some time to install because when we connect to the Jenkins server we get very less speed. So as you can see 198 to 24 kbps is the speed. So it will take some time to download 89 MB of Jenkins file. So we are going to create this Kubernetes cluster with the help of Terraform. If you don't know how to install this Kubernetes with the help of Terraform, so I've already created one video on how to create EKS cluster with the help of Terraform. If you don't know how to create a EKS cluster with the help of Terraform, so you can follow this video. I will also share this video link in the description section, so you can take a reference. Okay, now it is 86% completed, 89, 90. Now it's giving 1.4 Mbps speed. Okay, that's great. Okay, it's completed. Now we have to reload the daemon. So now the next step is to start the Jenkins. So first we have to enable, then we have to start the Jenkins. So it will take some time to start the Jenkins for us, so just wait for a minute. Okay, now we have to check the status of Jenkins, whether it is working, but whether it is active or not. So to check the status of Jenkins, we have this command, systemctl status Jenkins. So run the same command, and as you can see, our Jenkins is active. So to verify the Jenkins is working or not, we can also access to the Jenkins UI. So what you have to do, you have to copy this IP address and open a new tab and paste it in a new tab. So here it is saying that site can't be reached because Jenkins work on port number 8080. So we have to give 8080 also after the IP address of Jenkins server. We have to press enter. Now again it's not working because we didn't allow the 8080 port to our Jenkins server. So first we will enable the 8080 port in the security group of Jenkins. So just go to the Jenkins security group of Jenkins and edit the inbound rule and add rule and give 8080. Sorry, first you have to select the custom TCP and give the 8080, and you can give 000 also, but here for the security purpose I will select the my IP. Okay, now save the rule. Now again reload this with 8080 port. So as you can see, our Jenkins UI page successfully open. So first you will get this page. So as you can see here, Jenkins is giving us one command to see the password, initial password. So what you have to do, just copy this path and go to the SSH terminal of our Jenkins server, and using the cat command we will print that the password. Okay, so it is saying that permission, so you have to put sudo in front of cat. Now here is our password, copy it and paste it in the Jenkins UI. Now we will click on install suggested plugin and we will wait for some time to install this plugin.